Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to navigate the SMT. So in this video we are going to have a brief look at the types of SMT users that are out there and how to navigate the site and switch between user roles. So basically we have two main types of users. The first is the administrators. So the administrators are the users that have the ability to set up the SMT and all its parameters. For example, like the master data of vaccines and supplies, the immunization program targets for the country, the list and details of supply chain levels and vaccine stores, and so on. Within the administrators, we have different subtypes. So we have the global administrators. These are basically the platform support team at the global level. They are staff from UNICEF Supply Division, and their role is to maintain the global database of vaccines and to provide access and support to country administrators. The global administrators don't have access to the country's data or to the country's reports. Then we have the country administrators. These are users that are responsible for setting up the SMT parameters for their own country, and their role includes managing the country-specific master list of vaccines and supplies, setting up immunization targets and vaccine needs in the system, entering population data, vaccine store data, and so on, and also creating user accounts for other people in their country. Then we have the read-only country administrators. This role provides access to all the screens and functionalities of the country administrators, but does not allow the user to enter or modify any data. These read-only users can only generate reports. And then we have the subnational administrators. So these are users that have access to similar functionalities as the country administrators, but for a specific subnational area. So for example, for a specific region or a specific province. And also these subnational administrators don't have access to the master lists or the country immunization targets, because these are parameters that are managed only at national level. And then we have the second type of users, which are the store operators. So the store operators are users that work in a vaccine store, and they utilize the SMT to record information related to the immunization stocks, transactions, and cold chain equipment. This type of user is always associated to a specific vaccine store, and they cannot modify any SMT parameters. Within these store operators, we have two subtypes. We have the regular store operators. So those are the users that monitor the vaccine stocks and supplies. They monitor the available cold chain equipment, the storage space available. They record arrivals or issues of stock from other facilities or to other facilities. They can enter temperature records, and they can conduct inventory counts, and so on. And then we have the read-only store operators. So these are users that have access to all the screens and functionalities of the store operators, but they are not allowed to enter or modify any data. They can only view the data and generate reports. Important to understand that a user can have a single role, or they can have two roles at the same time. So they can be administrator and operator. It is not possible to be two administrators at the same time. So you cannot be country administrator and subnational administrator, for example, or you cannot be store operator and read-only store operator, but it's possible to have one admin role and one operator role. So for example, someone that works, let's say, at the national level, they can be the country administrator of the platform, and at the same time, they can be the operator of the national vaccine store. Someone that works in a specific region, they can be the subnational administrator for that region, and they can also be the store operator for that regional vaccine store. The menus and functionalities are different for each role, and these functionalities cannot be accessed at the same time. So when the user accesses the SMT, they need to choose which role they want to access at each time, and then if needed they can switch from one role to the other, and this is what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so I'm going to access the SMT training site. This is the site. I'm going to log in, and I want to access an account, which is Gmail. In my case, I already have my credentials like username and password saved in my computer, so I don't need to enter them again. I'm just going to click the Google button, and that will take me directly into the SMT. So now I'm inside the SMT. So this blue bar here on top, this is what is going to tell me what type of user role I have. Okay, so here on the left you are going to see the SMT logo. Below the SMT logo you are going to see the name of your country. In this case this is a demo country called Training 1, but you will be able to see the name of the country in which you are logged in. Here you have the different functionalities. This is like the things that you have access to, and on the right here these are the details of your user account. So you are going to have your initials, you are going to have your name displaying here. In this case I have a name just for the demo, which is like new user, but you will see your name and surname, and then the type of user role that you have in the system. So in this case I can see that I'm a country admin read only. If I want to access some more information, I can click on this symbol here, and I display my user details. So again, this is my name, this is the type of user that I have. Then I can see also the region, the geographical region where I'm located. This is MENA, is Middle East and North Africa, but you will see your own region, and again the name of your country. If you are located at a subnational location, for example like a region or a district, below the name of the country you will also see the name of your region and the name of your district. You can also see your email, the account that you are using, and you can select the language in which you want to use the SMT. So at the moment we have English, French, Portuguese and Arabic. So if you want to change language, you just click the language that you want to use, and all the menus automatically change. If you want to go back to English, just select again. Anytime when you want to stop using the SMT, just come here and log out. Now I'm going to repeat the same process but with a user that has associated two roles. So I'm going to log in. In this case I'm going to use my Yahoo account. I'm going to sign in. And I'm landing on this page, which is a little bit different. So in this case, the SMT is telling me that I have more than one role, so I need to select which one I want to access. So I can click here to display the types of users that I have. I have the country admin and I have the store operator admin. Sorry, the store operator type. If I select store operator, the page is going to display the details of my role. So again, the region, the country, and the store in which I'm working. Okay, so from here I can just select, let me just select, for example, country admin. I click apply, and automatically I arrive in the admin role menu. I have access to the program data, store data, users, master data, and so on. Same thing here, I can see my user details, but there is one extra option that was not available before, which is this one, change settings. So right now I'm logged into the system as the country admin. If I have finished doing whatever I wanted to do, and I want to manage my stocks as a store operator, I just need to click Change Settings and I switch the role. So I select a store operator, I select my store, I click Apply, and automatically the menu changes. Now I don't have access to the program data, to the master data, to any of the functionalities of the administrator. Now I have access to the functionalities of the store operator. And here under my name, I can see that I'm now operating as a store user, and I can see the name of my store here. I can use the SMT, same thing, I can change the language as well as needed. I can log out if I want, but if I want to go back to the administrator role, again, I click Change Settings, I select Country Admin, Apply, and I go back. So basically, this is how you navigate the SMT when you have more than one user role. I hope it has been useful, and see you in the next video.